The Samsung Odyssey G3 27-inch gaming monitor is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price on Amazon, link in description below. Whether you're an esports competitor or a casual gamer, this monitor is packed with the tools you need to gain a competitive edge. First, speed and responsiveness are crucial in gaming, and this monitor delivers. With an impressive 180 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, MPRT, lag and motion blur are eliminated, ensuring that every movement is sharp and every frame is crystal clear. Whether you're tracking an enemy or engaging in high-speed chases, your reactions will always be on point. To keep your gameplay smooth and fluid, the AMD FreeSync technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card. This prevents screen tearing and stuttering, even in the most intense action scenes. Whether you're watching movies or playing the latest AAA titles, the visuals remain seamless and immersive. Visibility is another game changer. The black Equalizer feature lets you adjust the brightness of dark areas in games, helping you spot hidden enemies lurking in the shadows. No more surprises, every corner of your battlefield is visible, giving you the upper hand. For precision aiming, Virtual Aim Point enhances your accuracy by displaying crosshairs directly on the screen. This added level of targeting can be the difference between victory and defeat in FPS games. Long gaming sessions can be tough on the eyes, but Samsung has you covered. Eye Saver mode reduces blue light exposure, helping to prevent eye strain and fatigue. Plus, flicker-free technology ensures that you can stay focused for longer without irritation. The design of this monitor is just as impressive as its performance. The three-sided borderless display expands your field of view, making it ideal for dual monitor setups. The Ergonomic Stand allows for height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot, so you can customize your setup for maximum comfort and efficiency. From fast-paced shooters to expansive RPGs, the Samsung Odyssey G3, G30D, offers an ultra-responsive, immersive, and comfortable gaming experience. Upgrade your setup with this powerful monitor and stay ahead of the competition. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the price in the description below.